Hi, I'm Yuto, and today on Statue I'm going to show you how to make an easy and delicious fried rice ball we call Yaki Onigiri. Let's get started. So I cooked 2 rice cups of Japanese short grain white rice in my rice cooker, which once cooked is a little less than 700 grams. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and mix that in to give it a mild nutty flavour. It's important to use Japanese rice for rice balls since its sticky texture helps it keep its shape. If you want to learn how to cook Japanese rice on the stove, I have a video link on the screen or description. Next, we're going to shape them. I highly recommend using a rice ball mold like this for Yaki Onigiri. You can pack it tightly so that it's more secure, which can be harder to do if you're shaping them by hand. This recipe makes about 6 or 7 rice balls depending on the size. Once shaped, place them on a plate and let them air dry for about 5 minutes on each side. A common problem with Yaki Onigiri is that adding sauce and reheating them makes them unstable and likely to fall apart. By air drying them, the outside layer forms a slight crust, which helps the onigiri hold its shape. While we wait, let's make the sauce. Take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of miso paste and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix it thoroughly until it's smooth and there are no more lumps of miso. Okay, 10 minutes have passed, so I'm going to brush the sauce over the top of each onigiri. Just coat one side for now, we can brush the other side when they're in the pan. I don't use this sauce on the sides because it contains mirin and I don't fry the sides. Instead, brush them lightly with plain soy sauce. We're now ready to cook them, so grab a non-stick frying pan and add about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once it's melted, place the onigiri in the pan with the sauce side facing down, and once they're all in, you can brush the other side. Fry for about 30 seconds to a minute on each side or until nicely browned. They cook very fast, so don't leave them unattended. And that's it, seriously delicious Yaki Onigiri with a garlicky miso soy sauce coat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want to learn more, check out the written version on my blog. The link is in the description. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care.